Located in the plentiful fishing grounds of the western Pacific Ocean, the small island of Ovalau is host to one of Bumblebee's most strategic albacore partners, Pacific Fishing Company Limited. Ovalau is the sixth largest of the Fijian islands and is home to approximately 9,000 people. The small island is about 13 kilometers long and 10 kilometers wide and houses Fiji's former capital, Levuka. Fiji's former capital is the largest of 24 towns and villages on the island and is also home to the relationship between Pacific Fishing Company Limited and Bumblebee. Approximately 1,000 people are employed by the PAFCO Tuna Processing facility, the only major employer on the island. The facility has been in operation for 50 years as of 2014 and has had several owners. It is now majority owned by the Fijian government with the goal of keeping employment on the island. Bumblebee and PAFCO partnered in 2001 with an exclusive albacore supply arrangement, and the facility has been fully operational since. As with similar locations around the globe, Bumblebee manages the production and quality of all albacore produced in the PAFCO facility. The facility is SQF Level 3 certified and has passed a third-party social audit. Frozen albacore tuna caught in the Pacific Ocean is brought to the facility predominantly through direct delivery. The incoming fish goes through a rigorous quality control procedure, and then it is sized and sorted for production. The first stage in the process after sizing is thawing. The fish is thawed before it proceeds to the butchering department. After butchering, the fish is cooked through a pre-cooker to assist in further processing. Once the fish exits the pre-cooker, it travels through a chilling room and then on to further processing. The fish is converted to loins in a stepwise fashion along conveyor belts where approximately 500 women are involved in the process. This is a very detailed activity where accuracy and focus are extremely critical to maintain quality. Once the loins are perfected, they are placed in plastic loin bags and vacuum packed. They are date coated and pass through a metal detector and then travel by conveyor into a large plate freezer for deep freezing. After freezing, the loins are palletized and shipped to the US for canning. The relationship between Bumblebee Seafoods and PAFCO is strategic to both parties. This supply relationship will continue to provide the best quality albacore for generations to come.